Some people I see in Pakistan, they don't write Bismillah Rahman Rahim. What they do, they write 786. So it is not right to do this because 786 is not the equivalent of the Bismillah Rahman Rahim. It is, I don't know where they get this idea of 786 or they call it Urdu 786. This is nothing to do with Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And it is actually bid'ah and it is considered as a kufr because you are replacing the word of Allah into a three number, 786. So I see lots of people, when they write something, they put on the top 786. So it is nothing to do with Islam. Maybe it is feng shui or it is some beliefs of Chinese or some superstitious beliefs. We should not have any value for this. Like some people in Philippines and some Chinese, they believe the 13 is bad luck. We don't believe in such thing. There are people, they don't make 13th floor. There are people who make no number 13 of offices because they afraid with number 13. We as a Muslim, we don't afraid. We don't care about the numbers or this. This is all rubbish and it is all nonsense. We have no value. We are very strong believers. We have a strong belief. We believe that everything happened to us only by the will of Allah. The good, the Prophet can come with the will of Allah and then harm. No one can harm us unless it is will of Allah. So Allah is our protector. And if He want to give us something, only He can remove it. If He want to give us something evil, only He can remove it. And if He want to give us good, no one can stop it. Okay? If He give us a problem, no one can remove this problem. And if He want to give us a good, no one can stop that good. So that's how powerful the belief we have in Allah that وَالْقَدْرُ خَيْرُ شَرٌ مِنَ اللَّهِ تَعَالَى. We believe that every good and every evil is controlled by Allah. No one can harm me except the will of Allah. No one can benefit me except the will of Allah. That is our basic belief of La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah means no one has power to give me any benefit except the will of Allah, and no one has the power to harm me except the will of Allah. So only Allah is the one who can decide for me. I don't fear people. No one can hold my honor. No one can honor me and no one can dishonor me. Allah holds my honor and Allah holds my dishonor. Allah holds my profit and Allah holds my loss. Allah holds my life and Allah holds my death. Okay? So that's how you become strong and fearless to the people of the world and all the things of the world, and only fear of one, the God Almighty Allah. You fear none but only one. And that makes you very powerful and strong. You become very powerful. You don't fear all the world. You don't fear anything in the world. You only fear Allah. Okay? Some people, they make t-shirts and they say no fear or fearless. We say no fear except Allah. We have a fear of Allah. We are fearing Allah, none other than Allah. Okay? So no fear means it's totally zero. No. We have a fear of Allah. And no one else beside Allah we have a fear. So we have a firm fear in Allah. We hope to Allah. We love to Allah. We are living for Allah and we are willing to die for Allah.